Hi guys, I'm Ayushi and welcome back to my channel Mandala. I hope you all are doing well and safe at home. So here I am with a new tutorial video on mandala. If you enjoy this, then make sure to like, subscribe, share and follow me on Instagram to see more of my mandalas creation. So let's get started. So I will quickly show you what other things that I used for making this mandala. So I have taken this A5 size paper and this fine liner, mostly 0.3 for outlines and 0.1 for the inner details, and also these basic mandala tools, protector, compass, pencil and all. And for the colors I have used two brush markers from Kareem. You can see the shade, but it's not like you have to use this one only. I have a better option and affordable option for you as well. You can use these DOMS brush pens also. अगर आपको similar shades use करना है, so this will go well. Otherwise you can take any color shades, not like sky blue and pink only, but you can take watercolors also. So yeah, and you can also use this canvas brush pens. I mean, options are endless. अब ज़्यादा बकवास नहीं करूँगी, आप समझ गए होंगे. So first what we need to do is to find the center of the page. So here we are not going to make a complete circle, but instead of that we will make a semicircle. So using that center, I will draw some semicircles. And not only on one side, we have to do this on the other side as well. Then using the protector, you can draw your grid lines. I'm not going to explain in detail because I already have a separate video on the channel. So similarly, you have to do on the other side as well. So I have created all the shapes as you can see here. So basically what I kept in my mind is to divide the circle in different sections. So like on the top part you can see it's pointed petal and then round petal, then pointed petal, then round petals. And in petals ke beech mein I have given some space. So in the end I am going to fill the colors in between them. Now I am filling up the designs inside those petals.